How to change voice on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. Then click on the magnifying glass-like option at the bottom. In here, again click on the magnifying glass-like option. After you click on it, you will find a search bar. In the search bar, type in voice changer. You'll find different filters for a voice changer. You can click on one of the filters and then record your video with voice. After that, in result, you will find your voice changed. And this is how to change voice on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.